fryers are made to make entire meals and are designed to be space-saving or take up the same footprint as a more standard toaster oven. You could easily cook a roast or whole chicken in the Kenwood air fryer oven. It also has a boatload of features and presets: bread proofing, dehydrate, pizza, and so if you like bells and whistles, the Kenwood's got them. The Kenwood air fryer could be pretty close to replacing your big oven altogether. It comes with high-quality accessories, including a rotisserie spit for chicken and other roasts. If you want to prepare pizza, cookies, bagel, rotisserie, roast, toast, air fry, reheat, etc., your food will be one to handle these cooking methods beyond your expectations. In addition, as a group with an LED screen and easy-to-use controls, it will help you read and set up the program fast and correctly. Kenwood air fryer can operate quite nicely, making it even more attractive for anyone with a small space. Kenwood air fryer has a sleek digital display with a knob to adjust time and temperature. It comes with extra accessories like rotisserie spit. All of its accessories are dishwasher-safe, which is a unique distinction not every air fryer toaster oven can claim. Its oven door is transparent, so you can clearly see what you are cooking. The Kenwood air fryer toaster oven is functional and it's stylish. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming video, especially subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.